Hello everyone, I am Batu, and today we're going to be talking about the Marvel's APS software, specifically for the jobs log. Under jobs log, we can basically keep track our employees' work hours. So let's get into the system, and let's click on the jobs log macro. As you can see, this is the system. First, we're going to have to put our job number. As you can see, we can choose our job numbers here. Under job hours, you can see all the assigned jobs that are available with their business start, with their completion dates. Let's go with this first one. Let's double click on it. After choosing the job number, the production order will come automatically, as well as the resource. And you can see the quantity and the workload hour. And we're gonna have to put our job start date, right? And after putting the job start date, we can start our jobs by clicking on start jobs. If ever need to pause or take a time or a break, we can always stop this, hit the stop jobs. And if you end up, coming back to the job or, continue doing the jobs, you can always do start jobs again. And after we're all done, we can refresh this. As you can see, it's refreshed. Once we're done for the day, if we want to see our log, we can click on the jobs log application. And under that, we can see all our job watcher numbers with their date and time under here. As you can see, everything is kept tracked. And this is basically the overview of the Marvel's APS software's jobs log system. Thank you.